So in the words of Kobe Bryant, Mamba out, but in the words of us, not forgotten. Live on, brother.
If we were to lose a game 7 in the NBA Finals, I would think about that game forever.
I'd sacrifice pretty much anything to win a championship.
Falls down. He looks hurt.
Even worse than at least.
It feels like it was all right there.
Bringing a chip to Indiana. What would that mean to you?
Man, it would mean the world.
But you look tired. You okay?
The what?
You look tired. You okay?
Oh, I'm great. Just getting old.